Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by installing KWGT and a launcher that supports custom widgets. Once installed, add a blank widget the exact size you want for the clock. Open the widget editor immediately. This is where you control every visual. You will choose a new preset or create one from scratch. Do that now. Make sure the widget is set to resize freely so color changes apply correctly, and proceed into the editor to access text and paint options. Once inside the widget editor, tap the time module so you directly edit the clock element. Then open Paint or Font Settings. Here you change the color, opacity, and blend mode. Use a hex code like #FF5500 for precise color or RGBA to add transparency. Adjust blend mode if the clock sits over a wallpaper or background layer so the color reads well. Preview at different sizes to confirm legibility before applying. Save the preset and exit back to the home screen. The color change should appear instantly. If it doesn't, remove and re-add the widget or clear your launcher cache to force a redraw. Make sure KWGT has storage permission so it can load assets. If the clock still looks wrong, switch wallpapers or tweak contrast and blend mode. Sometimes background brightness masks the chosen color. Finally, reopen KWGT to confirm the exact hex or RGBA values are still applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.